In this quick video, we'll show you how to copy a WhatsApp group link on your Android device. If you've created a group on WhatsApp and need to get an invite link to share with others, follow these steps carefully to ensure you do it right. This process works on both Android and iPhone, but today we'll focus on Android. First, open your WhatsApp application on your Android phone. Next, navigate to the group chat from which you want to copy the link. For this video, I've created a test group to demonstrate. Let's say you need to get the invite link for this group. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This action will open a new section showing the group's details, photos, videos, and various options. Scroll down until you see the group members or participants. Just above the group members list, you'll find a few options. Tap on Invite to Group via Link. A menu will appear with different options. Tap on Copy Link, and now you have your group invite link copied to your clipboard. To invite someone to join your WhatsApp group, simply send them the link you just copied. They can click on it, and it will open the group for them, allowing them to join instantly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.